Guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Njeri. Now today we are here in Elementaita again. You know what? We have 12 acres. And can you see my view from my background? Look at that. That is Lake Elementaita. And guess what? These 12 acres, they are going for 3 million Kenyan shillings per acre. And you can buy as low as 1 acre. You know, you guys, I posted another property that was not being sold. It was just being sold as a block. So, and you guys reached out, and you know what? I decided that we sought. See, niliwaambia I'm your plug. So here we got everything for everyone. So yeah, let me show you around. So in case you're looking for land here in Nakuru, you might want to consider this one here. It's a very, very beautiful place. So again, this is still part of the land. So kama unatafuta shamba ya kulima, ya resort, you're looking for land with view, all that is available. Kuja hapa, naona shamba. Look at that. Can you hear the sound of the birds? Huh? Birds chirping. And scarecrows. Look at this scarecrow here. And the type of soil is the red soil. You see there? That's the type of soil that is here. So guys, let me know what you think about this property, 12 acres, here in Elementaita, 12 acres, going for 3 million per acre, with a beautiful view of the lake. As also some part of the land is flat, as you can see, and can be done really good farming. So for those of you who have been telling me they're looking for land to do farming, you might want to consider this property right here. It's a very beautiful place. Look at that. Look at that. And even from here, I can still access the view of the lake from here. Look at that. Wow. So guys, this is part of the land still. So now Peleke, even the other part that has been bought, so that you can see what the owner is doing. They're doing very nice farming. Look at that. So this section, somebody has a maker bees. They're doing bees farming. I don't know if they can be able to see them. Right there. Bee farming. Wow. So this is still part of the land. All the way. 12 acres. Down there. Still the view is still there. So kama wewe ni ule mtu unaniambianga masista kimali kuna slope nataka flat. Now the flat area starts right here all the way upwards. It's the flat areas. And some of the part of the land has trees. Na hii sasa ndio side yenye imenunuliwa, the 3 acres. You see, the owner is doing really good farming here. Look at that. And the bees right here. I can't go there. I fear bees, guys. Guys, you've seen. Look at that. Look at that view. You know, let me know in the comment, what will you build here for these 12 acres? If you were to take the whole 12 acres, what would you do with the land? If you were to take 1 acre, what would you do with the land? If you were to take 5 acres, what would you do with the land? Let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in the land, you can reach us on the number on your screen. We are always planning site visits. So that's the whole land for 12 acres. So this is I'm showing you the slope area. We also have the upper area. You see that area uko juu liko flat. So if you're that person unataka flat area ama hii enye iko view ya lake, unakuja tu unajichagulia, hii haina shida. If you want 1 acre, 2 acres, 3 acres, 10 acres, up to 12 acres, this is what we have. So you guys, kujeni invest hapa. Don't invest somewhere else. Nakuru, look at that. Look at that. That is Sawela Capella. You see the red buildings over there? That is Sawela Capella Lodge. So that's it. If you have any questions regarding this property, reach us out on your number on your screen, and then we can arrange for site visits, you know. Yeah. So guys, that's it about this video. My name is Njeri. I bring you real estate content here in Nakuru and beyond. And we are buying one home at a time. So I am looking forward to help you find your dream home. I am very invested in making sure that all my next crew community get somewhere that they will call home. So for now, I think I'm gonna say bye-bye, and we are open for site visit anytime that you're available. We can organize for site visit. You come and see the land. We have ready title deed and it's open for viewing. So until next time, I am going to see you in my next one. But before you leave, please make sure that you like this video. Also subscribe to the channel. It really goes a long way to support our work.